Right, Kyrie Soto with the hook shot. Well, Kyrie the Dream making his announcement here in the game.
Oh, March Sabado Nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado Nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah, dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go! Ayun. Mga laro Sabado't Linggo dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. Oh, March Sabado Nights, tara na't maglaro. Oh, March Sabado Nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. Oh, March Sabado Nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado Nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah, dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Record mo na, pre. Para sa mga pangarang pag nag-rap ay maro, sana pag naglalabas magpalpak.
Omar Sabado Nights Basketball League is brought to you by Kaiju Beat 21 H&H Shells Love Basic Habiter Sneakers Apparel at iba pa.
Championship game!
FNS Hardcore
Pila and Pula!
Tire Project
OSMBO
Emo Break
Heritage Cup Final!
Easy Gone Rico sa
Alan Vergara, Francis Amores, number 5 J.O. San Jose, number 6 Alfred Cabubas, number 11 Jassel Walker, number 15 Kenneth Casgoña, number 22 Nilo Javier, number 28 Dave Bangondato na nasa US, and number 66 Joey Moraga.
Picture muna, wala muna sa daddy. Wala muna si daddy. Wala muna si daddy. Pero ano lang, pictures muna.
Magkataga tilapia, luto ko na. Ay, mumulaw.
Okay. Yan na din.
Technical kita.
Presenting your team Pula.
Ayos mo ka, ayos mo ka. Ayos mo ka, oh. Serte.
And from your team Pila, number 2 Ron Gusto, number 3 Abitar Javier, number 4 John Paul Yamio, number 8 Nico Enriquez, number 11 Junjun Torre, number 12 Alroy Ferrado, number 13 Maron Malyari, number 14 Majo Gamat, number 15 Charchadong Escabeche, number 20 Juan Posada, and number 22 Ivan Ilaw. Presenting again your team Pilaw.
Sana ako labit.
Bago ang stress.
Finals na, bumura ka dyan.
Sorry.
Uy, tanga na may bibig mo, ah.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Bumura, tangin na mo, ah.
Okay na tayo.
At gano'n na nga, simulan na natin ang finals bakbakan. Let's go!
Ang galing mo pasok yung baser.
Oo, pare.
Sakto, Brad. Ayos ba, ya? Ayos ya.
Okay, okay.
Salamat ya. Oh, ya. Okay.
First five, please enter the playing court.
Ayos stats, ha?
Oo, sige. Okay. Wala pa ba siya?
Sige daw.
Si Meg.
Wala pa. Wala pa din.
Our official sports tonight, Ogie Javier and Kiko Jimenez.
Ano yung mga bola natin? Dito kay Gergo. Gergo nasa loob ng...
Let's go!
Beso. Tapping your shirt.
Game tayo.
Sa goal.
First quarter.
JL San Jose secures the ball. JL San Jose, Discarte, Francis Zamores for 3. No good. Rebound by Alan Vergara. Pass to Kenneth Gasgoña for the shot. It's good.
Kenneth Gasgoña.
Start ka na ba? Pag-get mo na tayo.
Jan Posada, pass to Abetar. Abetar for 3. No good. Rebound by Francis Zamores. Pass to Allen Vergara. Allen Vergara nagmamadali. Allen muntik mabitawan. Pass to JL San Jose for the shot. It's good.
JL San Jose.
4-point lead. Agad yan by the Team Pula. Junjun Torre appearance. Papasok na yata to. Abetar for the shot. No good. Rebound by Majo. Majo for the shot. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound by Allen. Allen nagbababa ng bola. Intercepted by Jan. Harass by Kabubas. Abet Javier. May tana ng bola. Abet for 3. Wala pa rin yan. Abetar.
Call on number 6, Alfred Cabubas. His first personal foul, first team foul. 4-0. Lamang Pula.
Allen Vergara nagbababa, crossing over. Allen Vergara, nagingitiyan pa sila ni Jan.
Foul on number 20, Jan Posada. First personal foul, first team foul.
First shot is good.
Nakapanayos ka.
Oy, rinig ka sa
Nakapanayos ka.
Maratang may pusta ka, boy, ah. 2 of 2 by Allen Vergara. 6-0 early lead by Team Pula.
6-0.
What a block by Francis Zamores. Majo, pass to Nico Enriquez for the running shot. No good. Nico, hinampas kay Jan. Jan naghahanap ng papasahan. Jan to Alroy Perlado. Perlado for the shot is no good pa din. Alroy pa rin. Butata ni Amores. Ang laki ni Amores. Ano kayang gagawin ng pilak kay Amores? Gasgoña na bitawan.
Pilak ball.
Abet Javier for the inbound. Jan Posada nagbababa ng bola. Setting up. Jan. Pass to Majo. Wara pass. No good pa din. Hindi pa rin makabutas ang pilak dyan. Amores with the power rebound. Pass to Kabubas. Bibitaw kaya ng 3. Pinasa kay Vergara. Back to Kabubas. Alam mo na, si setup niya yan. Pero tinira. No good. Rebound kay Jan. Makakabutas na rin sa wakas ang pilak kay Majo.
Majo Gama.
6-2. Lamang ng 4 ang Pula. Allen Vergara. Pass to Alfred Cabubas for the 3. No good. Rebound by Majo. Jan nagbababa ng bola. Jan for the layup is good.
Jan Posada.
Allen Vergara. Pass to Francis Zamores. Post move. Anong sabi ni Rep? Same ball.
Same ball.
Alfred Cabubas, free for 3. No good. Rebound by Majo. Nakita ni referee yan.
Foul on number 1, Allen Vergara.
Per second.
His first personal foul, second team foul. 6-4. 7 minutes and 5 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
Abetaber. Pass to Enriquez, na libre. Enriquez for the shot, no good. Maggio for the rebound, wala pa rin yan. Natapik yan ng Pilak. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Muntik mabitawan ni Nico Enriquez. Alroy Perlado. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by Amores. Grabe yung rebound na yun, Amores. Allen Vergara nagbababa ng bola. Allen pass to Kabuba, sets up for the 3. No good. Rebound by Maggio. Mandami ng rebound ni Maggio. Posada. What a pass, kaso intercepted by JL San Jose. San Jose nagbaba. Pass to Allen Vergara. Allen Vergara setting up. Allen to JL San Jose for the jump shot. No good. Rebound by JL. JL pass to Allen. Allen pass to Penpen. Sets up for the 3. No good. Hindi na naman makabutas. Sa umpisa talagang nanlalamig si Kabubas. Alroy Perlado may tana ng bola.
Dead ball sab ba? Sasam ka ba yun? Dead ball sab.
Maggio for 3. Maggio no good. Rebound by Posada. Posada for the shot is good.
Janjan Posada.
Tinages napunta kay Maggio. Maggio for the shot. No good yan. Kenneth Gasgoña. Haras by Javier.
Kenneth Gasgoña.
Time out.
Time out. Pila. Ang score, 8-6. Lamang ng dalawang pula. 5 minutes and 22 seconds remaining in the first quarter of the finals. Magandang gabi sa ating audience, live audience at online audience. Back to the ball game.
Junjun enters the ball game. Ito na ka ang Junjun and Janjan connection. Janjan to Junjun for 3. No good. Rebound by. Hindi na ni-rebound ni Allen yan. Hinayaan niya na lang. Allen for the inbound. Pass to Kabubas. Back to Allen. Allen sinet up si JL for the 3. No good. Yamio. Pinasa kay Janjan. Janjan nakangiti. Parang gusto niya kalaban si Allen ha.
Janjan Posada.
Allen to Amores. Amores fakes the pass. Amores pass to Kabubas. Kabubas fakes. Kabubas stops and pops. No good pa din. Rebound by Yamio. Yamio to Janjan. Hinagis kay Torre. Torre for the shot is good.
Junjun Torre. 10-8. Lamang ng dalawa ang Pilak.
Allen with the power move. No good. Allen pa rin for the rebound is good.
Allen Vergara.
Ang ganda ng laban. Simula pa lang, di kita na. Janjan. Pass to Alroy. Nabitawan. Junjun. Pass to Yamio. Ay, butatan ng board. Hinagis kay JL. JL.
JL San Jose.
Turnover by Pilak.
12-10. Lamang ng dalawa pula. 3 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. The first quarter.
What a pass to Kenneth Gasgoña is good.
Kenneth Gasgoña.
Junjun. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Haras by JL San Jose. Junjun to Yamio. John Paul Yamio for the shot. No good. Nakuha ni Gasgoña yan. Gasgoña nagbaba ng bola. Gasgoña pass to Amores. Amores pass to JL San Jose for the shot. Libre is good.
JL San Jose.
16-10. Unti-unting lumalayo ang pula. Janjan Posada takes over. No good pa rin yan. Derek, pinasa kay JL. JL for the shot.
JL San Jose.
8 points ang lamang ng pula early in the ball game. Malyari for 3, no good.
Ball on number 2, Francis Amores. Substitution. First personal foul, 13th foul.
Malyari to Junjun. Junjun naghahanap ng papasahan. Junjun pass to Janjan. Janjan sumalaksak. Janjan pinasa kay Junjun sa labas. Junjun pumasok. Intercepted by JL San Jose. San Jose for the layup is good.
JL San Jose.
What a ball game for JL San Jose. Halos siya score. Janjan no good. Janjan ulit.
Time out to ha, pula.
Time out. Teka.
Paul, sana si daw.
Kaya sino Paul?
Ball on number 5, JL San Jose. First personal foul, 14th foul.
Ano daw pa ulit sana siya?
Sinabi ko na. Ay, yun lang.
Leg niya, leg.
Oh no. Malaking development to sa laro. Na injured si Allen Vergara. God. Janjan pass to Torre. Torre back to Janjan. Janjan stops and pops. Wala. Rebound by Nilo Javier. Javier harassed by Dapilak.
Seconds to shoot.
Junjun Torre naghahanap. Maron Malyari nakakuha ng bola. Maron back to Torre. Torre pass to Yamio. Pass to Malyari sa ilalim. Naagawan yan. JL San Jose nagbababa ng bola. Easy lang daw sabi ni Amores.
2 minutes.
Kabubas fakes. Kabubas for the shot. It's good.
Alfred Kabuba.
Junjun to.
Junjun Torres. Time out pula. 22-12. 10 points na kalamangan ng pula. 1 minute and 51 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
Sa palang siya mo, Rex, sa palang ba?
Justin Walker nagbababa ng bola. Justin pass to Kabubas. Kabubas for the 3. Kabubas no good. Rebound by Yamio. Pass to Janjan. Hinagis kay Junjun for the layup. Is good.
Junjun Torres.
JL San Jose nagbababa ng bola. JL pass to Amores. Amores. Post move. Amores for the shot. No good. Rebound by Janjan. Hinapit ni Alan. Junjun Torre for the shot. No good yan. Pero recovered.
Junjun Torres.
JL San Jose. JL. Blocking foul.
Ball number 13, Maron Malyari. First personal foul, second team foul.
6 points na kalamangan ng pula. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. JL, pass to Pakabubas. Kabubas, back to JL. JL, nag-hesitate. Vergara, pass to Nilo Javier. Nilo, natapik yan. Pero Alfred for the shot. No good pa rin. Jan, hinagis kay Junjun. Ganun ang play nila kanina pa.
Foul on number 5, JL San Jose.
Ilan na si JL, pre?
Second personal foul penalty.
Substitution.
2 shots for Junjun Torre.
First shot, no good by Junjun Torre. Bawat free throw, mahalaga. Junjun Torre. Second shot is good by Junjun Torre. Allen Vergara nagbabalik kahit natapilok. Allen, pass to Penten. Back to Allen. Allen to Amores. Amores for the shot, no good. What a defensive play by Allen. No, tinira pa rin. Amores is good.
Francis Amores.
Jan, pass to Malyares. Good.
Maron Malyari from Janjan Posada.
Allen Vergara setting up. 10 seconds remaining in the first. 7 seconds. Allen. 2 seconds. Hindi sila aware.
End of the first quarter. Ang score, 34-19. Lamang ng 5 ang pula.
Timeout is brought to you by H&H Sensla.
This time out.
This quarter na eh.
The second quarter is brought to you by H&H Sense Lab.
Timeout tuloy ang pabango ng mga gago. Pabango ng mga gago. Pabango.
Back to the ball game.
Junjun for the inbound. Pass to Jan. Jan for 3. No good. Same ball. Majo for the inbound. Pass to Yam. For Jan is good.
Janjan Posada.
Junjun umikot. Junjun pass to Jan. No good yan. Hindi pala yung naitira yan. Jan to Enriquez. Enriquez for the shot.
Nico Enriquez. Isa na lang ang lamang ng pula. 24-23. 9 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Francis Amores is good.
Francis Amores.
Ganda ng match-up. Junjun, pass to Gaman. Junjun for 3. No good. Rebound by Kenneth. Gasgonya. Pass to Allen Vergara. Allen Vergara, tumira. No good. Rebound by Janjan. Pero may nakitang foul.
Foul on number 11, Jocelyn Walker. His first personal foul, first team foul.
Janjan Posada sets up. Pass to Gamat. Fakes Gamat for the shot. It's good.
Majo Gama.
Kabubas for 3. No good. Rebound by Walker. Walker pass to Gasgonia. Gasgonia.
Offensive.
Offensive foul on Kenneth Gasconia. His first personal foul.
Team foul ba? Hindi lang ito.
Hindi.
26-25, 1 point lead by Pula. 8 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Janjan for 3. No good. Rebound by Penpen. Kabubas. Pass to Allen Vergara. Allen Vergara nagbabaharas by Junjun Torre. Nabinigyan ng konting sigo. Pass to Kabubas. Kabubas. Fakes Kabubas. Naghahanap. Kabubas. Hesitate. Gasgonia. Gasgonia for the shot. No good. Rebound by Janjan. Si Penpen nag-hesitate na siya. Kasi hindi pumapasok yung una. Majo for the shot. Wala. Nailang kay
Junjun Torre. Change favor. 27 to 26. 1 point lead by Pilak.
Allen Vergara for the shot is good.
Allen Vergara. Foul on number 14, Majo Gamat. His first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot for Allen Vergara.
Sablay ang bonus shot. Junjun for the rebound. Pass to Posada. Back to Junjun. Junjun speeds up. No good. Allen Vergara nagmamadali. Allen Vergara pass to Walker. Binasa. Binalik. Nakuha ni Janjan. Torre. Torre pass to Majo. Pass to Enriquez. For the shot. No good. Amores. Pass to Allen Vergara. Vergara, umiikot, Vergara. Vergara for the shot, no good. Rebound by Gasgonia, pero nabitawan. Nakuha ni Junjun Torre. Junjun Torre nagbaba ng bola. Medyo umi-intense na paunti-unti ang laban. What a pass to Iban Ilaw, no good. Sayang.
Foul on number 6, Alfred Cabubas. Second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Junjun Torre.
First shot is good by Junjun. Deadlock at 28. Second shot. Wala yan. Amores again for the rebound. Nakaabang na si Nico kay JL. JL, bumangga kay Iban. Wala. Janjan nagbaba ng bola. Janjan crosses over. Anong tawag yun?
Foul on number 1, Allen Vergara.
Second, third.
Second personal foul, third team foul.
Deadlock at 28. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Second quarter. Majo naghanap ng pasa, nabigyan ng pasa. Pass to Torre. 5 seconds to shoot. Torre. Torre to Janjan. 3 seconds violation.
3 seconds.
Pen, bola, pen, bola, pen.
Deadlock at 28. 6 minutes and 18 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Allen, pass to Gasgonia for the shot. No good.
Pilak ball.
Sub.
Si Abel.
Ano masahe mo, pre?
Walang bitaw yung bro.
Walang bitaw.
Pagkakalat lang yan din.
Janjan Posada. What a pass to Gramat.
Majo Gamat from Janjan Posada.
Lamang na ng dalawa ang Pilak. Allen Vergara. Pasto Kabubas for 3.
Kabubas 3.
Nagsimula na nga ba si Penpen? Abangan nyo.
Simula ka na ba, Pen?
Babawi si Abet Javier for 3. No good. Konting bounce na lang yon. Wag na magreklamo.
Rap.
Nagre-reklamo pa eh. Jan for 3. Walang bumantay dyan. No good. Rebound by JL San Jose. San Jose, pass to Amores. Amores sinagis kay Gasgoña. Nasobrahan.
Take point.
31-30. 1 point lead by Pula. Substitution. 5 minutes and 16 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Junjun Torre nagbababa ng bola. Junjun pass to Janjan. Janjan pinag-isipan kung magte-tres. Janjan pumasok. 10 seconds to shoot. Janjan for 3. No good. Nag-agawan ng dalawang pilak. Pero Majo nakakuha. Majo no good pa rin yan. Gamat. Amores pinasa kay San Jose. Dinalik kay Kenneth. Kenneth Gasgoña no good. Sorry, miss by Kenneth Gasgoña. Janjan Posada. Posada pass to Yamio. No good pa rin.
Foul on number 4. Rolling Yamio. First personal foul, second team foul. Substitution.
Magandang gabi sa ating mga online viewers. Shoutout kay Rep Omi, nasa office na si Agi. Amores no good. Jan to hindi pala si Junjun yun, si Majo pala yun. Pero intercepted by Allen. Allen Vergara nagbababa. Wala yan for Kabubas. Anong height nyo kay JL? Wala pa rin. Junjun nakakuha ng bola. Junjun nakagawa ni Penpen. Kabubas for the shot.
Alfred Kabubas!
What a shot by Alfred Kabubas.
Ang sabi, spin ka.
Oy, sige lang sa nice pen. Junjun for 3.
Junjun Torres 3!
Parang kinakabahan pati yung committee. Halatang halata kayo, boy.
Thank you, boy. Para tayo mapano niya, pasag-check.
Amores with the power move is good.
Francis Amores!
Junjun Torre. Pinaikot yung bola. No good yan. Rebound by Majo. Majo nagawan.
Red ball.
Sub.
Substitution. 35-33. Lamang ng dalawa ang pula sa ating finals game. 3 minutes and 26 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
San Jose hesitates. San Jose pass. Pero muntik mo yung maagawan. San Jose for pass to Nilo Javier. Javier fakes. Javier shoots no good. Rebound by Malyari. Malyari nagbababa. Hinagis kay Torre. Torre for the layup. Is good.
Junjun Torres! Deadlock at 35. 3 minutes remaining in the second quarter.
May timeout. Basket timeout sila. Basket timeout siya na yung pula pag sumot yung pilak.
Bola.
Foul on number 3, Ahmed Javier.
Basket timeout.
Kasi pangunas natin. Again, be?
Bro, ilan na siya, Abet?
Pina?
Abet.
Wala pa. Bawal.
Hindi, nag-call na siya.
Pala yung request nila pag nakasya palaban na.
Yung isa. First turn.
First personal foul on Ahmed Javier, 13th foul.
Hindi dito yung timeout no, nakalaban.
Sa ano, pilak.
Pilak. Timeout ko lang.
First shot is good by Penpen Kabubas. Parang di ko naririnig humihinga.
Ayop ka. Nagpitsiri ka pa.
Second shot is good, 2 off to yan by Kabubas.
Dalawa naman, pe.
37-35. Posada, pass to Malyari for the shot. 3, no good. Rebound by San Jose. San Jose to Allen Vergara. Vergara, binaby ang bola, no good. Malyari to Posada. Posada nagbababa. Posada, no look pass to Yamio. Pass to Junjun. Torre, pinag-iisipan ang gagawin. Torre, naagawa ni Allen Vergara. Yes, San Jose for the shot is good!
Yeah, San Jose! Foul on number 3, Abit Ambier. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. 39-35. Lamang ng 4 ang pula.
Basket timer pa rin. Bonus shot is no good. Basket timeout tayo ha. Torre, pass to Posada for 3. Diretso pero wala yan.
Red ball.
Amores, bullet pass. Ooh!
Tuwa ka ba ulo? Yami yun, no? Second penalty
Oh
na
my
yan.
God.
Tumama ba ulo?
Hindi, parang
Hindi.
nagkaano sa ere.
Yelo, bilhin mo yelo. Yelo.
Pahinga muna. Substitution muna.
Pasok, Sel. Penalty tayo, penalty tayo ha.
Penalty.
Sino titira niyan?
Penalty.
Bilhin yelo, pre. Bilhin yelo.
Pre, bili nga muna yelo. Bili muna kayo yelo, pre.
Rap, may barya ka, rap.
Sige na, sige na.
Rap, may barya ka. Bilhin mo yelo. Ano, wag kang yung kode, wag kang yung kuha.
Bumili na ba? Bumili na?
Rap, rap, bibili mo.
Unfortunate event.
Wala yung ano natin. Paul ni Lolek? Dalawa. Sabihin mo ka rin penalty yan.
Rep.
Rep, penalty tayo, rep ha. Penalty. Rep, penalty, rep. Penalty.
Ha?
Si Jassel ang bumalik.
Si Yassel.
Wala si Jassel. Ten ba?
Teka.
Penten ba? Pumalit? Penten. Wala ka penten. Nasa labas penten.
Hindi pen talaga.
Ay, yung dumugo ka, JL.
Ano nga alam eh. Anong saan dugo ni JL? Saan ang dugo?
Ang dumugo? Dumugo ba?
Second shot is good by Kabubas.
40-25, lamang ng 5 ang pula.
Majo, paso Malyari for the shot, no good. Natapik yan. Sino nakuha? Si Allen.
Foul number 4, Oleg Yamio. Substitution, third personal foul penalty.
Ano ba yan, JL? Sa ulo mo. Ay, ano mo sa ulo mo, JL?
No good.
Alin ba? Yung may mga banner dito, yung nakagamitin mo.
Oh, yung banner na lang.
Mga banner.
Second shot. No good. 0 of 2. Si Allen dyan. Junjun Torre. Screen by Abitar. Junjun pass to Janjan.
Red ball.
Allen Vergara nagbaba ng bola. Allen for the shot, no good. Rebound by Kenneth Casgonia for the shot, no good pa din. Janjan Posada nagbaba ng bola. Janjan Posada tumidiskarte. Janjan umikot, Janjan for the shot, no good pa rin yan. Allen Vergara, pass to Gasgonia, Gasgonia, no good. Rebound by Junjun Torre. Torre, pass to Malyari, Malyari for the shot, wala! Championship cheaters, meron pa sa pilak. Kabubas for the shot, wala pa rin! Abet Javier secures the rebound. Janjan nagbaba ng bola. Pasok!
Si Allen, no?
Paul si Allen.
Tatlo, apat.
Pasok.
Third point.
Basket.
Janjan Posada. Foul on number 1, Allen Vergara. His third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Bonus shot for Janjan Posada.
Bonus shot is no good. Rebound by Nilo Javier. Pass to Amores. Amores hinahanap si Allen. Ang ating tenyente sa pula. Allen Vergara for the shot.
Allen Vergara.
Sino tawag si Abe?
Sino foul, rep?
3.
Rep, sino foul?
Bet ikaw ba, Bet? Bet?
Rep, sino foul?
Si Abe.
Foul on number 3, Abet Javier.
Third.
His third personal foul. Penalty. Bonus shot for Allen Vergara.
Mainit ang mga player, mainit.
Mainit.
Mainit silang lahat. Wala yan. Rebound by Junjun Torre. Pass to Janjan. Sablay isa lang. Bonus shot lang yon. Janjan for the shot.
Janjan Posada.
Time out, time out, time out, time out!
Time out pula.
Kanina pa yun eh, no? Nakalimutan ko na. Yung basket timeout? Oh, hindi. Ngayon lang pala siya.
Hindi, dami siya nangyari.
Wala nga yan.
Okay lang yan.
42-39. Lamang ng tatlo ang pula. 27 seconds remaining in the second quarter ng ating finals game.
Shoutout sa ating online viewers. Charchadong Escabeche, Agi Javier, Rina Soriano, Carla May, Gerald Cabanig, Wendy, at sa nanay ko kahit nandito na siya. Kenneth Gasgoña, nagbababa ng bola. Kenneth Harasbay Junjun. Kenneth pa din yan. Up!
Troubling.
Dami viewers ngayon. May widget pa rin ako ng timeout. 19 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Torre setting up. Easy lang daw. 10 seconds to shoot. Torre. Pinasa. Jan for the shot. Wala. Amores. Hinages.
End of the second quarter, ang ating score, 42-39. 3 puntos na kalamangan ng pula.
Pahinga muna tayo. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Isa ball. Kuya Puis. Bro. Di ba, hindi ko na 8 seconds yun?
Kumain ito ah.
Wait, nag-Europe sa leg.
Sige ko yung bilang mo.
Intense siya.
Ay, di ko rin kasi mabasar eh. Di ko mabasar kasi reference decision niya.
Gumaganon kasi sila dun eh.
Hindi kasi di ba dapat sabay sa shot?
Oo, sabay yun dun.
260 na kasi sa shot clock.
Baka nakalimutan yan. Mainit, no?
Nainit ka eh. Ramdam mo yung tension eh.
Pre, good luck, pre.
Nice game, pre. Nice game.
Hindi yan dahil sa pera, pre. Sa ano lang, sa thrill.
Pressure, no?
Pressure ka. Pang ano lang ka. Painit lang.
Papasigaw ko eh. Pakiinom niya rin tumama yan.
Sa halftime natin merong sasayaw, mga mamshis. Ronica Vergara, Maples, Jessica Javier, Alaysa Vergara.
Ay na, pwede po, mapulo.
Please enter the playing court.
Ay, ayos.
Okay na yung kanta nyo. Naka-play na namin.
Anong kanta ba?
Ha?
Bully kami, grupo nila. Bully.
Ano? Bundi. Meg. Pasok, Meg.
Ganas mag-usap mo rin.
Mga laro, Sabado't Linggo, dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. Oh, March Sabado nights, tara na't maglaro. Oh, March Sabado nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. Oh, March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Omar
let's go.
Sabado Nights Basketball League is brought to you by
Baser mo na, par. Baser mo na. Baser mo na. Baser mo na nga, baser.
Back to the ball game.
Ito, Yossi ng Yossi, oh.
Pila tayo, ha. Nakapula tayo, pula, ha.
Bola ng pula.
Kuya Kuis, may pa, Kuya Kuis.
Start of the third quarter.
Shout out to our officials of the night, Omi Javier, Meg Aguila, and Kiko Jimenez. Gasgonya, may konting acting dun si Abet. Gasgonya for the shot, no good. Rebound by Majo, hinagis kay Daddy. Hinagis kay Rep Omi.
14 lang ba yan? 14?
24. Allen Vergara. Allen, pass to Amores. Amores for the shot. No good. Rebound by Gasgonya. Gasgonya, butata ng board. Junjun Torre, pass to Janjan. Janjan nagbaba ng bola. Janjan bumangga. Janjan pumeke, tumira, wala. Torre for the shot is good.
Junjun Torres.
42-41, lamang ang pula ng isa.
42-41. 1 point lead by Pula.
What a steal by Majo. Nakuha yan ni Junjun. Pass to Janjan for the shot is good.
Janjan Posada. Change flavor. 43-42. 1 point lead by Pilak.
Allen Vergara. Pass to Kabubas. Pupukol kaya? Hindi. Fakes. Pero tumira ng running shot. No good. Rebound by Janjan. Hinagis kay Junjun ng libreng-libre is good.
Junjun Torres.
Grabe si
Kabubas. Nagbababa ng bola. Kabubas. Ooh! Miscommunication by Team Pula. Janjan Posada nagbababa ng bola. Janjan for the 3. No good. Rebound by Allen. Nakabang si Janjan. Allen lalayap. Nasundutan. Allen for the shot is good.
Allen Vergara.
Junjun Torre. May tanan. Paso Javier. Libreng-libre sa tres. May bitaw yan siya.
Abet Javier Sweet.
Anong masabi mo, Renz? May bitaw siya.
Ano ka?
Babawi kaya si Kabubas? Hindi. Third final appearance ni Abet Javier, ni Junjun Torre. Ay, ni ano pala, ni Arloy Perlado pala.
Nilo Javier.
What a shot by Nilo Javier.
48-46. 2 puntos na kalamangan ng Pilak. 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Javier, bibitaw ba ulit? Javier, back to Posada. Posada, fix, Posada. Pass to Junjun. Junjun for the layup, inikot, no good. Junjun pa rin nakakuha niyan. Good.
Hindi naman tumama na rin.
Hindi ba tumama? Oh, sige, sorry.
Sabord lang tumama eh.
Kabubas, 4-3.
Allen Vergara, deadlock at 40. 6 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Janjan Posada. Tumira, no good. Rebound by Amores. Amores, nakuha ni Posada yan. Posada hesitates for the 3. Posada for the running shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin yan. Wala pa rin for Posada.
Foul on number 15, Kenneth Gasgonya. Second personal foul, first team foul. All 48. 6 minutes and 26 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Janjan. Pass to Javier. May bitaw yan ulit siya. No good. What a pass to Majo is good.
Majo Gamat from Junjun Torre.
Kabubas. May nakita foul.
Foul on number 12, Alroy Perlado. His first personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Alfred Cabubas.
Basket block. Lopez. Bakasan mo kasi, Lopez.
No good by Alfred Cabubas. 0 off to yan sa kanyang free throw. Trip. Junjun, biglang pumukol ng tres. No good. Rebound by Abet. Abet, Javier.
Throwing substitution. 50-48. Dalawang puntos na kalamangan ng Pilak. 5 minutes and 52 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Pinakabalik si Jay.
Foul on number 11, Junjun Torre.
Second.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Walker, pass to Cabubas. Nalibre ng tres. For the shot, no good. Rebound by Gamat. Pass to Janjan Posada. Nagbababa ng bola. Janjan Posada, gumilid.
Janjan Posada.
Cabubas. Cabubas for the shot, no good.
Foul on number 6, Alfred Cabubas.
Third second.
Third.
Third second.
His third personal foul, second team foul.
Time out. Basket time out. Ano sabi? Ano sabi?
Basket timeout siguro yun.
Pilak.
Hindi, si Kenneth Gasgonia.
Foul on number 15, Kenneth Gasgonia.
Timeout kayo. Sir Kenneth, timeout kayo.
Time out pula.
Ilan?
Third.
Third personal foul on Kenneth Gasgonia, third team foul.
Dalawa, tatlo. Time out.
Dalawa.
Ngayon, second half, una pala. Dalawa, tatlo.
Ah.
Dalawa, tatlo.
Timeout left for pula, dalawa. Timeout left for Pilak, tatlo.
Second half.
Magamit nyo yan for the second half. Back to the ball game.
Ramdam na ramdam ang tensyon dito sa Santos Village 3 covered court. No good for Alroy Perlado. Second shot. Siya pa rin ang naka-rebound. Sino ba to? Si Rodman ba to? Umikot si Torre. Pass to Janjan Posada for the shot. No good.
Foul on Joshua Walker, number 11.
Second court.
Second personal foul, 14th foul. 2 shots for Janjan Posada.
First shot is good by Janjan. 53-48. Nagbago na ba ang ihip ng larong to? Alroy pa rin!
Alroy Perlado.
Saba, sab. Dead ball, saba. Vergara for the shot is good.
Allen Vergara.
Torre. Lays up is good.
Junjun Torre.
Nangapaguran yan. Allen, wala yan. Janjan nagbaba ng bola. Janjan to Junjun. Connection, wala. San Jose, pass to Kabubas. Fix. Kabubas, naghahanap ng papasahan. Kabubas, pass to Allen. Allen for the shot. No good. Allen pa rin naka-rebound. It's good.
Allen Vergara.
5-point lead by Pilak.
57-52. 5 puntos na kalamangan ng Pilak. 3 minutes and 57 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Junjun, screen by Abitar. Junjun hesitates. Pass to Abet. Abet fakes. Abet to Junjun again. Pass to Posada for the 3. No good. Rebound by Allen. Allen nagbawa ng bola. Allen for the layup. No good. Posada pass to Torre. Torre free for 3. No good yan. Majo secures the rebound. Majo back to Junjun. Junjun for the layup.
Junjun Torres. Foul on number 2, Francis Amores.
Second penalty.
Second personal foul penalty.
Unti-unti na bang lumalayo ang Pilak? Torre for the bonus shot, no good. Rebound, wow, power rebound dyan by Amores. Ang bumangga, giba. Allen Vergara, pasok Kabubas. For the 3, wala. Posada nagbababa. Posada nag-crossover, hindi nakita yung bola. Posada recovers. Posada.
Janjan Posada.
Unti-unti na nga lumalayo ang Pilak.
61-52. 9 puntos na kalamangan ng Pilak. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Allen for 3. No good. Kahit diretso. Gamat pass to Junjun Torre. Torre for the layup. It's good.
Junjun Torres.
Time out.
Time out mula.
Nalalang tayo mo na. Pen, isa na lang tayo mo Pen. Hanggang fourth quarter ka mo. Pen.
1 timeout remaining for Team Pula. Hanggang fourth quarter na yan. 63-52. 11 point na kalamangan para sa Pilak.
Ito na kaya, makakaisa na kaya si Abet matapos ang kanyang third finals appearance para sa kanilang dalawa ni Alroy Perlado.
Back to the ballgame.
Oo nga eh. Ayos ka pa, boy.
Sakali bang mawala.
Amores for the layup, no good. Amores again for the rebound. Muntik mabitawan. Amores for the shot, no good again. Pero may nakitang foul. Technically mo.
Foul on number 15, Kenneth Gasconia. Fourth personal foul. Substitution.
Naiinis si Sergey. What a rebound by Junjun.
Junjun Torres.
Sino kaya best players? Posada o sino? Junjun. Junjun malamang. Allen for the shot.
Allen Vergara.
Two minutes remaining in the third. Junjun. Pass to Janjan. Janjan pumukol ng 3.
Janjan Posada. 3.
Chill San Jose. Setting up. Pass to Allen.
Goal shot.
Allen for the layup. No good. Rebound by Majo. Majo Hinages. Kay Junjun. Junjun for the shot. No, he's good.
Junjun Torres.
Lumayo na nga ng tuluyan ang Pilak. San Jose, no good pa rin yan. Enriquez, pass to Junjun. Junjun for the layup, is good.
Junjun Torres. Allen Vergara, 3.
Aga pa eh. Ang body language nila nagdubay agad Aga pa, third quarter pa lang eh. Jan Posada, pass to Torre. Torre fakes, Torre for the shot is no good. Jan, tinapik kay Majo. Majo for 3. No good pa rin. Jan pa rin nakakuha ng bola. For 3.
Jan Posada, 3.
Allen Vergara for the 3. No good. Rebound by Alroy Perlado. Pass to Jan. Jan for the 3. No good. Rebound by Majo. Pass to Junjun. Junjun for 3. No good pa rin. Hoy, parang ayaw nyo na. Fourth quarter pa Posada for the shot.
Jan Posada, 3.
Tinamad agad.
Goodbye, 200.
Hindi pa yan Ano po? Sa quarter pa
Pag naman yan si Allen, kaya pa ni Allen yan. Mahaba pa yan.
Fourth quarter.
Maron Malyari. Pass to Ibanilao for 3. No good. Rebound by Allen. Binagis kay JL. JL for the shot is good.
JL San Jose.
Posada, pass to Junjun for 3. No good. Rebound by Kabubas. Kabubas to San Jose. Kumikilos na ang mga gwardiya ng pula. San Jose. Nagharap ng papasahan. Pass to Kabubas. Kabubas for 3. Diretso pero sobra. Gasgonya for the shot.
Foul on number 22, Ivan Ilaw. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Kenneth Gascoña.
Junjun Janjan connection. Haras by JL San Jose. Junjun to Janjan. Janjan free for 3. No good. Rebound by Francis Amores. Amores, one of the all OSNBL third team. JL San Jose for the layup. Wala. Janjan nagbaba ng bola. Haras by JL San Jose. Muntik maagawan ng pula yan. San Jose, pass to Allen. Allen for 3. No good. Rebound by Allen again. Allen for the shot. No good pa rin yan. Junjun Torre. Haras by Kabubas. Iban Ilaw. Pass to Malyari. Malyari fakes. Pass to Posada. Posada. Pass to Torre. Torre to Iban Ilaw. Ilaw for the 3. No good. Yamio for the shot is good.
John Paul Yamio.
Amores for 3. No good. Rebound by JL. JL umikot for the shot. Ang ganda naman noon.
JL San Jose.
Janjan Posada.
Third, first.
Foul on number 5, JL San Jose. His third personal foul, first team foul.
Posada. For the 3. No good. Rebound by Kenneth Gasgonia. Nagbaba ng bola. Kenneth for the layup. No good. Janjan to Junjun for 3. Nga ba? Tumira.
Junjun Torre, 3.
Kenneth Gasgonia for the layup is good.
Kenneth Gascoigne.
Check.
Junjun Torre, 3.
Allen Vergara for 3. No good. Rebound by Malyari. Pass to Torre. Torre for 3. No good. Amores. Tinages kay Kenneth Gasgonia. Nabitawan nga lang. Uy, graduate yun.
Foul on number 6, Alfred Cabubas. His fourth personal foul, second team foul. 6 minutes remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
Junjun for 3. No good. Rebound by Kenneth Gasgonia. Nagbababa. Pass to Allen. Allen Vergara. Pass to JL San Jose fix. JL San Jose no good. Nakuha yan ni Cabubas. Cabubas for 3. No good pa rin. Janjan Posada secures the rebound. Yamio to Torre. Back to Yamio for the shot. No good. Rebound by Amores.
Kenneth Gascoigne. Foul on number 6, Alfred Cabubas. 5 fouls on Alfred Cabubas. Foul on number 5, JL San Jose. Fourth personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 shots for Janjan Posada. Eric Gasonia, 3.
Kaya pa yan.
Gusto nila mag-foul na mag-foul, sige, bahala sila mag-foul na mag-foul. Hindi tama eh.
10-10 kasi, ano eh.
Kaya ganun yung ano, walang laro eh. Ang aga pa eh, mag-ano ka na eh.
Umahangit tuloy yung finals ng mata.
Eric Gasonia.
Pen.
Time out, Pila. (86-71). 4 minutes remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
Bir. Gagawin mo gusto ko.
Reklamo na reklamo eh, kaya ano eh. Intercepted by Yasel Walker. Walker to San Jose. San Jose for the layup. Is good.
JL San Jose.
Posada. Pumaporma. Harass by Walker. Torre for 3. No good. Rebound by Amores. Oh.
Sino? Yan mo.
Oh.
Foul on number 4, JP Amio. Fourth personal foul, second team foul.
Natamaan sa mukha si Francis Amores. Vergara to Walker for 3.
Joshua Walker, 3. 10 na lang ang lamang.
Kasi yun eh. Kanina pa akong ganyan sila. Gamat for the shot is good.
Majo Gama.
Saba, dead ball sab.
Dead ball sab. Posada harassed by Walker. Enriquez for the shot is good.
Nico Enriquez.
Bola.
Ay, sab pala.
Ay, sub. Mamaya na. Wala na. Mamaya na daw.
14 daw, par 14.
Foul on number 14.
Hindi, 14 seconds.
Ay, sorry. Attitude yan. Technical mo yan, di. Kanina pa eh.
Kamali ng turo.
Gasconia for the shot.
Kenneth Gasonia.
Ayos po ka.
Eh, bakit?
Saba.
Ano sinigaw? Allen Vergara.
Timeout pala, dead ball timeout.
No good. Yamio to Enriquez, pass to Torre.
Last 2 minutes.
Junjun Tumajo, pass to ML. No good. Ang lakas masyado.
Time out, Pilak. Back to the ball game.
Kaya ano ba sa mga pang-asar na yato?
90-78. Lamang ng 12 ang Pilak. 1 minute and 51 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
Mukhang makakabutas na rin sa championship si Abet Javier at si Alroy Perlado for the first time sa ating OSNBL. Torre, haras by JL. Torre for the layup is good.
Junjun Torre.
Gasconia nagbaba. For the layup is good.
Kenneth Gasconia.
Mga bata eh, no? Dapat sila pa yung gumahabol eh. No good for Majo. Gasconia for the layup is no good. Naku po, natapilok pa yata.
Sa tuhod na tayo.
Tuloy mo lang, tuloy mo lang. Ano, timeout ba?
Mabakabol eh.
Foul number 2, Francis Amores. Penalty. 92-80. 12-point lead by Pilak. 49 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. 2 shots for Janjan Posada.
Donald Trump. Ah, pulikat. Kala ko bali. Jun! Uy, ba't wala? Hello? Uy! Wala speaker na low-bat, pre.
Hindi sinaksak?
Nasaan yung ano, saksak?
Wait lang. Sa trophy.
Pre, yung saksakan na speaker.
Baka yun.
Pasok yun, pasok. Saksakan na speaker. Hindi. Bilog yan. Bilog yun, bilog. Parang charger ng Nokia. Sino 3 points?
Alroy.
Bilis pa, ano, saksak. Walang kwento, oh. Ending natin, oh. Ano ba naman yan? Hello.
Okay na.
Hello. At yun na nga ang pagtatapos ng ating OSNBL Season 4.
Bro, pwede ka mag-champion.
Congratulations to Team Pilak. Picture muna tayo, guys. Picture muna, please.
Team Pilak.
Picture both teams, picture.
Nice game, pre. Nice game. Tama na sa'yo, speaker. Kasan mo nga, pre. Ano sabi mo, pre?
Hello.
Todo na yun eh. Oh, yan na daw. Eh, baka lang ako eh. Kaya mo.
Hello. At yun na nga ang pagtatapos ng ating OSMBL Season 4 Heritage Cup. Awarded by our Commissioner Johnny Javier. The second place, Big Mula! And our champion for Ocean Girls Season 4 Heritage Cup, Team Pina! Team Pina, sa wakas nakadaligas ka namin. Congratulations! Picture that. No. We receive trophy and 3,000 pesos in cash. At ating to announce our MVP for the finals, Juju Torres. Kita-kita po tayo sa All-Stars next week. Maraming salamat. Inuman na!
Eh, parang mas squatter ako. Okay na. Saving na.